holiday train tours Canada and US, so to basically raise money and support for local food banks. So this year the train will be stopping by Montreal, and the second stop will be in Beaconsfield. So it's my first time seeing the holiday train.
I mean, I think it's my first time seeing the train too.
Yeah.
I've heard about it. I've never seen it.
Yeah.
It's a little cold though.
It
it's
is
a little
cold.
chilly. So,
It is cold today.
But yeah, I'm excited to see all the lights on the trains.
Yeah.
For
So,
a good cause.
For a good cause.
For a good
yes.
cause. Oh yeah, actually.
Fortunately, we didn't give the canned foods this year, but we'll try to see next year.
I'm sure they're
Hopefully.
Give some buttered chicken away.
I'm sure they're just prepping their stuff, but there
Yeah.
must be an open entrance for us to go give it
No
away.
way. This is so cool!
Choo choo! There's people in the train.
Actually?
Yeah.
And that's it. To Lanzhou Noodles in Chinatown. This place is known for their hand-pulled noodles. I think even the best in Montreal. There's not much, but yeah.
I think there's a second location, but it's not Lanzhou, it's another one. But we haven't tried it yet.
Okay.
I put it in my foods to try list.
Foods to try. Okay.
So
You can choose which type of noodles you want, so I'll be able to show you guys all those details.
Very distinguished, you know.
You don't let it grow back?
No, no, it's just like when you put your arm in there and get the pizza out.
We'll get some banh mi's. This is like a local spot in Chinatown, and you have to pay cash.
hear that? Oh, we still have 54 minutes on this. Go for it. Like bring them here realistic or don't bring them here? I know people love going for the.
So here you got 7 types of noodles to choose
Always go
from.
for 7.
And
Lucky
if
number
it's your
7 would be.
first time, I would suggest the dan dan. And if you prefer a soup noodle
I never
dish,
tried
they
this
have it as
size,
well.
but I think it's.
Just if you want. Yeah.
I think it's.
So here's the dan dan. It consists of a marinated ground beef, peanuts, and then we got some bok choy, cilantro, and green onion to balance out the dish. It is so tasty and fresh. The noodle has a chewy texture. You can also find chili oil in the bottom, so make sure
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah,
mix the
yeah.
noodles with the
I
meat
feel
to get all the
like it.
flavor.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Times are tough, you know. That's how you eat. You know. Something my dad used to buy us all the time.